Let me tell you a little bit about this rally here. It was put together because one of the bikers went down on out into the rocks, and they didn't find him for quite some time, and he needed help. His family needed help, so they put this party together. This is up around Sun Valley, Idaho, a little past, about 35 miles north of Sun Valley, Idaho, and they put this together to raise money for his family, and they did this for quite a few years. Matter of fact, they was able to help his family out, and then they started raising money for other fallen bikers. We didn't run this one. We just visited this one. We didn't do any work on this one. So that's what the story is about this.
I like something about it. Hey, more!
Well, this could be fun.
Well, you have more fun than me. Been here a while.
Yeah.
Hey there, Randy. Who won that?
This Matt here, big biter on the back today.
Where'd she go? Where'd that gobbler go?
I don't know.
Retrieving the dead, I believe.
Probably drinking a beer.
Probably retrieving the dead over there.
What was the overall inches that girl took?
Did they take as much as the first time?
Yeah, 5.
This much?
Oh,
8 inches.
yeah, 8 inches. 8 inches. Yeah. 8 inches.
What time?
Just like you haven't ever been on. Hey, Sandy. Hey, Sandy. Hey, Sandy. I seen that. Almost hit that Harley. I seen that. I got it on tape, too. Aren't you glad I'm here?
Thank you very much, Gary.
Well, go ahead. I want to get you.
Get out of here.
This don't make you nervous, does it?
Yes, it does.
Okay, well, it's shut off now.
Yeah, right.
You can go now.
That little red light blinking.
See, it's off now. Just follow that girl. She seems to know where she's going. Just like a bicycle.
I want me to be
Oh, boy.
What are you fucking
Anyway, this is for Marty and Dan.
Are we rolling, Gene?
Yeah, we're rolling. Hi there. This your first time here?
Oh, we're sorry.
You gonna get in the contest
Good
tonight?
experience for you.
Oh, they have a wet t-shirt contest with hundreds of dollars they give away. Yeah.
I'm leaving.
None of the guys really look either, though.
Well, you got your job back. Oh, no, you're just throwing that money.
See you later, I hope.
Hey,
Yeah, let's go over
he's out of there, huh?
Well, he was. There's Jim. Maybe we can get Jim to wave. Who we got over there? Skimpy Cop. Oh, look. How did I miss him? Tiny Matt. Crowd is getting bigger. People are showing in.
You will never fucking get her picture.
3:15. They're rolling in pretty good. There's Harvey.
Here comes the egg people again. It's not why we're not going to take the egg deal. It takes too long for them to come around. There's one of them. Get that. Well, they always turn their back on me.
1, 2, 2. 5, 2, 5, 3.
Hey, Big Boot. Hey, you Big Boot. You're in the shade. I can't see you. Get her in the sunlight over there. There she is. Woo! Oh, you're better over there.
Where do you keep on taking her?
Around the block. With an egg.
I don't want to see your arms. Yeah, yes. Anything you want to show.
I never want to see. Always on the back.
Fucking way cool. Yeah, right now. You're up next.
Here, I showed you girls mine. Now you ought to show me yours, I think.
Oh, yeah.
We pulled this out real big too.
If you don't want to, don't.
We're not looking for special girls.
My window and I'm fully full.
My wife got such a or listen, I was made the sandwich.
I get corrected a lot. It's good intentions on her part, protecting me from myself. I'm lucky because I'm pretty harmless. Yeah, it's pretty obvious. You're full of shit.
Christie's knockers hanging down there.
Yeah.
Come on, wiggle them suckers.
I bet she don't fry bacon in that thing.
I'll bet you don't. Hey, Christy!
Christy, you're about to fall out, man.
I don't want none of them prints in that. I'm not even looking.
Yeah, right.
I wouldn't look that way.
But he was a minute ago.